In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this geodesic dome-based mesh. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on, and please use any available environment light with a bright spotlight. This looks like a very complex mesh that might have taken a long time to model, but it can be made within 30 seconds. In order to create this mesh, we must activate this add-on. There are a lot of settings to explore, so please remember to experiment with all available settings. After this, I went to edit mode, and selected the top face like this. Then I used the proportional editing feature to move the face upward. Then I used the individual origins with extrude individual to extrude the faces individually. Then I scaled the faces. I used this material, and it's actually half transparent. If I add another material on the selected faces, we'll be able to confirm the material's transparency. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.